We get a lot of emails from people asking us, well, why don't you integrate all the dash cam features into a rear view mirror camera? So we did just that, the Yi Mirror Dash Cam. To the untrained eye, it's just like any other rear view mirror, and you don't need any special tools to install it, as it conveniently fits over the original rear view mirror using 2 straps. The preview screen is integrated into the mirror. It's a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which is basically going to go into your peripheral vision once it's on, so you can concentrate on the road ahead. Just 1 or 2 seconds after you start driving the vehicle, the camera will turn on automatically and start recording. So it's truly ready the moment you are. There are many users on the internet who complain that for some reason, many dash cameras don't actually record in very good quality, or that the quality is poor. We believe that for a dash cam, the primary purpose should be to record high quality video. The Yi Mirror Dash Cam uses a professional image sensor that supports 138 degrees field of view. The maximum aperture is f2.0, and that provides 1080p at 30 frames per second full HD video recording. The rear camera has a 125 degrees wide-angle lens and uses an industry-leading 720p camera solution that's clear and stable, providing more safe vision. In addition to your regular driving videos, the Yi Dash camera can also be served as a rear view camera. So when your vehicle is switching into reverse gear, the camera will automatically switch to the rear camera, so you don't have to be worried about reversing into anything anymore. When you have a long journey ahead of you, the Yi Mirror Dash Cam can provide intelligent judgment based on your driving habits and deliver fatigue driving prompts to ensure that you're always awake while you're driving. And after you install the accompanying Yi Dash Camera app, you can also view your saved videos history at any time. Through the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, you can actually transmit this saved video to your computer. You can share with the Yi community, your social media, and you can also use it to download and save in case you need it as evidence as needed. Driving for long periods of time can obviously increase the chances of encountering emergency situations, but in the event of an unexpected collision, the Yi Mirror Dash camera's built-in 3-axis sensor will detect the collision and record everything, including the moments leading up to it. This footage is then locked from loop recording, and it's going to make sure that you always have it when you need it. So this was the Yi Mirror Dash camera.